Hi guys, welcome back to DaveJohnson.online, and I'm Dave Johnson. Thank you very much for coming to see me today and joining my channel. If you'd like to join, click on the link below, subscribe, and then you'll pick up any future promotions or freebies what I offer. Lots of free training, lots of free software on my different videos. Go back and check them out if you haven't already. Today's subject is going to be about traffic, everybody's favourite. Well, it's not everybody's favourite, but it's everybody's nightmare. But there you go. I know I've told you before about a good friend of mine, John Thornhill, and he's got a product out. It's not free, but it's got every single traffic method that he tried on his journey, and he's like a multi-millionaire now. So he's put it all together as a product. It's tried and tested. I'll take you over to his page now. It's called Simple Traffic Solutions. Everything is simple because John makes it sound so simple. He's tried making money with AdWords and paid traffic and things like that, but John does like his free traffic methods, and he'll go through everything what he's learned with this method, with all his methods. Everything's all there for you, and there's even a special, I do believe there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's it. There we are. 60-day money-back guarantee, 100%. If you don't want it, no questions asked. You don't have to give an excuse why you're getting it back. Just that's it. 60 days, and then plus on top of all that, you get an exclusive bonus. Okay, it's a bonus training event that you can attend. It's absolutely free. There's no sugarcoating on it whatsoever. So everything here is what you need. It's an absolute bargain, so I should get it while it's at the price it is now at the moment. So click on the link below this, guys. It'll take you to it. Enjoy it, and let's get loads of traffic like I've done, and let's share it all out together. Let's one big happy family for us. Hey, come on guys, let's make money together. Bye.